Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c colon and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Type attrib c colon /boot /bcd -h -r-s and hit enter. Type in ren c colon /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.